A very good morning, students. Today I will discuss the topic of accounting principles or basic concept of accounting. These are rules which will be followed by all the business organizations. First features of or principle of accounting is money measurement. According to money measurement principle, transactions and events that can be measured in terms are recorded in the books of account. मीन्स कि जो ट्रांजैक्शंस मनी से रिलेटेड है हमने वही ट्रांजैक्शन अपने बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड करनी है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम ये बात करें कि दिस पर्सन इज अ वेरी गुड, he is very honest, but this kind of things we will not record in the books of account. Here we will only record those transactions which can be measured in money and money terms. Next, second point is entity. Accounting entity or business entity principle. According to this principle, entity principle business is concerned to separate and distinct from its owner. कि जो बिजनेस है और बिजनेसमैन है बोथ आर सेपरेट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. बिजनेसमैन अलग है एंड जो बिजनेस है वो अलग है. इट्स क्लियर फ्रॉम द हेडिंग बिजनेस एंटिटी प्रिंसिपल. वी विल से दैट इट इज अ डिस्टिंक्ट, ये डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम इट्स ओनर, right? And third point is going concern. Going concern means business organization will continue to operate for a definite long period of in the future. Going concern, it is clear from the heading, it is continue for a long period of time. For example, it will continue for 10 years, 20 years, depends upon the growth of the business organization. Every business is continue for a long period of time. So we can say that it is going concern concept. Every business organization follow the going concern concept. Fourth point is cost concept. Cost concept or historical cost principle. According to this principle, an asset is recorded in the books of account at the price paid to acquire it, and the cost is all the basis for all subsequent accounting of the asset. Asset is recorded at the cost at the time of its purchase, but is systematically reduced in the value by charging depreciation. Cost concept means कि आपने जो एसेट परचेज किया है, मान लो आपने परचेज किया है 7 लाख का और मार्केट में इसकी वैल्यू है 9 लाख, बट जितने की आपने परचेज की है उतना ही आप रिकॉर्ड करोगे.